Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us use Cauchy's nth root test guys to check whether it is convergent or not. Okay, so basically whenever the formula is in the form of a power of power, so basically here we are having n and inside this power we are having n and for that we are having some other power. So in this kind of situations we will be using the Cauchy's nth root test guys. Okay, so here you will be calculating limit n tends to infinity u power n whole power n. So u power n is nothing but our given equation, whole power 1 by n is equals to L. So if L's value is less than 1, it is if it is sorry, I think the conditions are reverse. Please Google it once guys, or just give me a second, I'll be Googling it, I'll be checking it. Okay guys, sorry for that. So whatever written, it is correct only guys. So if it is less than 1, it is convergent, and if it is greater than 1, it is divergent. If it is equal to 1, again this test will also fail. Okay, yes. So basically here it is nothing but un whole power 1 by n, remember that. So basically our given equation is nothing but un. So un whole power 1 by n you will be writing in terms of 1 by n. So this one and this will be cancelling. So n by n plus 1 whole power n we got as the answer. Okay. So now if you observe, so basically from here you can take this n common, right? So from this you can take this n, from n you can take this n. So these are two n's, so you can cancel, right? Yes. So once you cancel that, it will be giving in this way, right? Yes. So if you assume this whole part as some value, right? E. So if it is a less than 1, you can say that if it is convergent. So in that way, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about this Cauchy's nth root. So basically whenever you see the data in this way, power of power, so in that situations you will be using this guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture we will be going through, okay, we'll be going through Libertarianity test. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.